Hello, Gypsies! Hello, everyone! Gipsy Dean is back with another video. Hey, it's been really heating up here in Da Nang. It's hot here, baby. Especially around noontime. So lately, I've been going to the beach every afternoon. Just chilling out, watching the girls, enjoying life. But there's one activity that goes on here I thought I would share with everyone. It's parasailing. There's 2 or 3 different businesses that do parasailing, and they keep quite busy. You see people sailing around all the time. So I decided to make a video of parasailing, show everybody how it works and information about prices, etc. So hang in there and enjoy this parasailing here in Da Nang, Vietnam. And stick around because I have some more information at the end of this video. Okay, they're getting ready for a parachute ride. Parasailing. The boat's out there. They just brought the line in. Hook it up to the guys. They're flying the parachute. He says, hit it. There they go. Well, what goes up must come down. Here they are, coming in for a landing. Oh, they're landing in the middle of the ocean. But there's 2 jet skis there to rescue them. Now here we have the price list for the parasailing. For one person, 650,000. Dong for 2 together, 950,000. That's almost $40. And they have a banana boat that you can take out with 5 people for 1,000,000 dong. That is $40. Oh, and they have jet skis for rent. 15 minutes for 650,000. So here's the banana boat. You can see they have 5 straps for people to hang on to. And behind it is the jet ski you can rent, the Wave Runner. Well, the ride's over for the first couple, and now we have a father and son going for the big ride. Father and son. Here they go. Wow. Look at them fly. Okay, Gypsies, everyone, thanks for hanging in there to the end. Well, I'll tell you, parasailing is quite a rush. I've done it a few times, but not here. I did it in Mexico and other locations. But after 2 or 3 times, that's enough. The fun is the rush when you take off, when the baby shoots you up in the air. Then after that, you're just kind of floating along. And, well, it's fun. I really recommend it if you've never done it before. So anyway, I'm going to hope you enjoy this video, and there'll be more videos coming. Okay. Hasta la próxima.